If you would like to receive all of my notifications, click the bell beside the subscribe button.
Okay, this wig. Focus. I bought it off Amazon, of course. I bought it off Amazon, and I did it about 6 months ago. And I've been wanting to try a lace wig for a long time. This is a lace 360. And supposedly 360s is supposed to be able to be worn all the way around. It was absolutely beautiful. When I first took it out the box, it's absolutely adorable. Little net. But it's been sitting in a corner for about 6 months, so you know, have not washed it or anything, which I believe she needs to be washed. And it's a lace with clips, as you can see, and it also has that drawstring, so you can plug it into these little holes right here and adjust it if you have a little head. But this was very tight on me. As you can see, I did not braid my hair. I put them in rubber bands and I went back. Hopefully that works. If not, I'm gonna be so angry. But I don't know if I should wash that hair. We're not gonna wash it. We're gonna wash it in the next video.
Alright, this hair is the Cici Collection. It is the 360 Lace Frontal Pre-Plucked Bleach Knots, 180 density, Lace Frontal Human Hair for women. I felt as though, since I kind of messed up this hair on my channel, that I should do or show you guys what I saw when I decided to purchase this. This is how it looked on the mannequin, of course. The hair is just, I thought it was very beautiful. It looked more of like a wand curling, but it's the I believe it's the loose waves. This is how it looked in a ponytail. Of course, my ponytail did not stay in the back. It actually came up. But on her, this hair was beautiful. Yes, it is loose waves. But anyway, of course, this hair has 10 inch, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, and 22. These are just the type of waves that the hair come in, or curls I should say. They have body wave, deep curly, deep wave, loose wave, and it comes in straight. I believe if you curl your hair right, you can get all of these patterns. It doesn't make any sense to buy like 4 wigs. This hair is just absolutely beautiful. I love the way it felt. It was soft. They did a wonderful job getting this hair onto their heads. That was my first time doing a wig, and again, I felt as though I should show you guys what I saw. I would like to ask you guys to please do your research, do your own reviews before you buy this hair. There's comments, and people show photos of them with the hair, and they have horror stories or they have good stories. Just make sure you do your research before you buy any products that's on my channel. As you can see, this hair got about 3.5 stars. Some women absolutely love it. They did a wonderful job getting their wig on, and then there's some women that had like maybe a horror story. Again, these comments and pictures and posts are public. These comments, pictures, and posts are public. So if you go to Amazon and you click the link in the description box for this hair and you go read the comments, you can see pictures, and some people may even have videos of the hair. Just make sure you check it out before you go and purchase this hair. But again, I thought I should just go ahead and show you guys what I saw, because I know I kind of messed it up in my video. But I will be trying it again. But I don't think lace wigs are for me. But I would like to thank you guys for watching this video. And stay tuned for the next video. Bye.